I'm Marquines Charles Leonardo from Delta 3. Arachnophobia, fear of spider. Acrophobia, fear of heights. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. Astrophobia, fear of lightning. Mysophobia, fear of germs. Aerophobia, fear of flying. Trypophobia, fear of holes. Monophobia, fear of being alone. Aquaphobia, fear of water. Autophobia, fear of abandonment. Hemophobia, fear of blood. Gamophobia, fear of commitment. Behophobia, fear of driving. Basiphobia, fear of falling. Achievemophobia, fear of success. Theophobia, fear of God. Globophobia, fear of balloons. Nyctophobia, fear of darkness. Androphobia, fear of men. Philophobia, fear of love. Podophobia, fear of feet. Somniphobia, fear of sleep. Gynophobia, fear of women. Apiphobia, fear of bees. Pyrophobia, fear of fire. Zoophobia, fear of animals. Bananophobia, fear of bananas. Sebophobia, fear of food. Tocophobia, fear of pregnancy. Technophobia, fear of technology. Chronophobia, fear of future. Ergophobia, fear of work. Coulrophobia, fear of clown. Photophobia, fear of light. Numerophobia, fear of numbers. Umbrophobia, fear of rain. Coasterphobia, fear of roller coaster. Carcinophobia, fear of cancer. Thanatophobia, fear of death. Phasmophobia, fear of ghosts. Atichiphobia, fear of failure. Anthrophobia, fear of people. Xenophobia, fear of unknown. Tapophobia, fear of burn alive. Chaetophobia, fear of hair. Colesiophobia, fear of worms. Entophobia, fear of bugs. Motephobia, fear of moths. And pediophobia, fear of dolls.